Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back with another unboxing as usual. This time for this video we'll have another Sephora favorites box, a new kit that they have on their website. This one is called 12 days of masking. So who doesn't like face masks? So far here is the box. It's a really pretty cute one with this yellow bow. Looks like an advent calendar actually. The box is $48 and has a value of 128. Many people complain about the sizes in this in those Sephora favorite kits, but from my part, considering that from one of those masks you can get at least 2-3 usage, I think it's not bad. But this is just my opinion. Let me know what do you think about them in the comments down below, and let's go ahead and see what's in this one. So far, let's open this cute bowl here, and of course we have those stickers. So yes, we have an advent calendar, and seems like Sephora tries to recover after the big fail with the advent calendars. So far, this is the second one that comes in this shape. It was also the other box that was $90 or something like that, with two products behind each door, which I think was another good one. Let's see what we have in this one. So far looks like this. It's a pretty blue and white pink, like a snowy day. We have all the days in a row here, and let's go ahead and start with day number one. And I like this type of packaging. So far for day number one we have a lovely mask which is from Glow Recipes. They're very well known watermelon glow sleeping mask. Is this one beautiful mask. I love this one. Then we have day number two. For day number two we have a mask that I'm using right now in my project pen. This one is from Pharmacy and is the honey potion, and I didn't tell you the size of each one. I'm sure it's on the back. The Glow Recipe comes with 10 milliliters, which is 0.3 fluid ounces, and the Pharmacy one, the honey potion, comes with 9 grams, which is 0.32 ounce. So far I'm using one of these in my not project pen, in my samples of the week video for this week, and I think you can get about 2 usage, being very generous of course, 2 usage from this one. So that was day number two. For day number three we have a Glam Glow mask, and this time we have the firming treatment. Is the purple one. I didn't try any mask from Glam Glow, although I got many samples like this. I have to try them all because I heard from you many great things. I have another mask from Glam Glow that comes finally in my FabFitFun winter nut box with the add-ons. I just got the tracking number today, so I will talk about that one when that comes. So far we got the firming treatment, and this one comes with 15 grams, which is 0.5 ounce, so it's not bad a size. Day number four brings a Sandy Riley one, which is Saturn Sulfur Acne Treatment Mask in 0.67 fluid ounce, which is 20 milliliters. So this is a little bit more generous as size. Day number five comes with Peter Thomas Roth, which is very well known, and I don't know if you can see, but this mask, it's a little bit more than half, And this one is Hungarian thermal water, mineral rich atomic heat mask, and this one comes with the Peter Thomas root comes with 7.5 milliliters, which is 0.25 fluid ounces. Let's see what we have for day number 6. And for day number 6 we have an Origins mask, and this is the original skin retexturizing mask with rose clay is this one, and this one comes with a generous amount, which is 1 fluid ounce, 30 milliliters, so not bad. Then we have day number 7, which is down here. So day number 7 comes with the First Aid Beauty product, and this one is ginger and turmeric vitamin C jelly mask in 0.75 ounce, which is 21.3 grams. So is this one. Day number 8. Feels nice to open another advent calendar, because I think the season is kind of done. I didn't see anything that I would like to get, so probably is one of the last advent calendars. For day number 8 we have a Corres mask, and this one is pomegranate resurfacing mask in 10 milliliters, which is 0.34 fluid ounce. So another one. In my opinion, I think you can get from the small ones, you can get 2 usage from one of these, maybe 3 or 4. So day number 9. In day number 9 we have something that looks very interesting in black and white, and this time we have Boss Chia charcoal pour pudding. Looks really cute. And this one comes with, let me see here, Boss Chia comes with 25 milliliters, which is 0.84 fluid ounce, so quite a good amount in this one. Day number 10. Day number 10 and 11 are on the same door. So we have 2 very well-known masks. One of them is one of my favorite, is the Fresh Rose Face Mask. And this one comes with 15 milliliters, which is 0.5 fluid ounce. So is this one. And the second one is from Kiehl's, and this is turmeric and cranberry seed energizing radiance mask in 0.5 fluid ounce. So great names in here. Last day of this calendar. Here is the last day, and we have another good size in here, and this is from Herbivore. Is Blue Tansy resurfacing clarity mask, and this one, let me tell you how much is in this one. 30 milliliters, which is 1 fluid ounce. So here is the mask. As I told you, 1 milliliter, I think it's a generous amount for a sample. So far those two, I think this one also, no, those two have 1 fluid ounce, and I think you can get at least, I don't know, probably for this one 3 or 4 usage, and from this one at least 4. If you use them, let me know how they work for you. Which one is your favorite mask from those that you saw here in with this box? I will love to hear from you. Let me know what do you think about the box. The box is $48. If you use coupons or something else, it's even cheaper. If you have that 20% off, or if it's not done, that one, I don't think. I think the 12, I'm filming on the 11, so it's one more day for the coupons on the saving whatever coupon on Sephora. So far I think it's worth it. I don't know, what do you think about this? Let me know in the comments down below about the sizes and the price. You have 12 of them. If you use at least twice from each one, you have 24 masks. So considering how much you pay for if you buy from Sephora for one sheet mask, which is usually around $6-8, I don't know. So far I am happy with the box, with the sizes. And if you know me, if you know my channel, you know I don't like full sizes. But anyway, that's kind of all for this box. So far, great names in here as Fresh, Sandy Riley, Corez, Origin, Skills, and many others. So that's kind of all for this unboxing, for this video. Also, don't forget to check the description box for links and also for giveaways, because we still have 3 open right now. So that's kind of all for now. Again, thank you so much for stopping by. Also, I want to mention that I have a couple of comments that I got from you, and I wasn't able to answer back because the system just didn't want to work. I was pressing replay for 10 times at least. I did open another the YouTube in another browser with another, it didn't work. So if I don't answer to your comment, it's just because sometimes something is wrong there. And that was a comment from one of you regarding the if you want to see the samples of the week baskets. So because I have couple requests for that video, I will do a separate video for each basket, because it's gonna take quite a while to go through them. So finally, that's kind of all. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys very soon. You have an amazing day. Bye bye.